Your kitchen backsplash is both an important functional element, making it easier to clean up, and desire for low maintenance, as well as a choice that will impact the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. A desire to opt out latest interior trends for your home renovation project is essential. Kitchen is no exception. Believe it or not, there are a variety of kitchen backsplash trends that are currently all the rage with kitchen remodeling. If you are looking for latest backsplash design ideas, you are at the right spot. This video is going to explore some of the most popular and latest backsplash trends. If you are new to House Talks channel and interested to explore more home and garden videos, please subscribe to House Talks. New videos are posted every Saturday. Stone slabs are dominating backsplashes. Slab backsplash materials are often one of the more expensive backsplash options, but the lack of seams creates a surface with good looks and practical functionality that is worth the investment. Latest slab styles are complemented by renewed interest in colorful mosaics and textured stone tile with amazing mixed finishes. Check out these amazing slab backsplash designs to get inspired. Not only white, but also black is a popular color for slab backsplashes, and nothing can beat their sophisticated appeal. Make sure it complement the colors of other elements in the kitchen. The unique striking pattern and smooth surface design of the slab backsplash adds visual interest and creates a focal point on kitchen wall space. Pattern tile backsplash is making its way to the kitchen through different textures, shapes and surface design for backsplash walls. While adding a wow factor, it can also flex the viewer's imagination. The best part is, pattern tiles are easy to adapt for compact wall spaces, as well as countertop to ceiling walls. Let's check out few modern and trendy pattern backsplash styles. Each kitchen layout is different, and wall space over the countertop varies, depending on floor plan. If it is open floor plan, choose pattern that elevate the wall space, and balance the light exposure from outside. Unique pattern styles, with various finishes and designs are another popular option to create a statement and character to the kitchen. It creates a unique, eye-catching wall space and dramatic background. Let's check few of these styles. Mixed media backsplashes is another most popular option, selecting modern tiles having various design patterns. It is a pattern, where most of the wall backsplash design goes with a simple classic backsplash, and then the area around a stove, or range wood cover area goes with different set of tile option to create a focal point. It draws immediate attention, and elevate the overall appeal of kitchen space. Check out these ideas for mixed match patterns. I hope you enjoyed the content of this episode. Do not forget to give a thumbs up to this video if you like the content of it. Thank you and have a great day.